Good morning, everybody. Nice to see you. And how is it going today? Okay, today in this video lesson, I will share with you all about the news point that we continue from the old point here that you can see here right now. The Great Collision and Asian landforms. Yeah. So last week we studied this point. I have some questions to ask everybody a little bit before we move to the new point that is continued from this old point. So in this old point, my question is, yeah, listen carefully. I hope everybody study at home yourself and uh, also remembers a lot of difficult words in this old point of the Great Collision and Asian landforms. So my question is, how many people were killed by an earthquake in China, and when? Yes. If someone knows about my questions, how they answer to this question, you can pause this video for a second and answer. Okay, I hope you all can answer my question well. Uh, my question again. I ask you as give you my question again. How many people were killed by an earthquake in China and when? Yeah, the answer is that it killed 803 830,000 people. Yes, 830,000 people. And when? Okay, it happened in 1556. Yeah, it happened in 1556. Yeah, 1556. Okay, and before let you know to the news points in these old points, uh, I also reviews all of you in vocabulary. Yes, in vocabulary. So the first word, this word ominous. Ominous means suggesting that something unpleasant is likely to happen. Yeah. But if someone didn't write these vocabularies into your notebook, then forget to take your notebook out and write it down together. Suggesting that something unpleasant is likely to happen. That could bring behind. And also displeasure. Yeah, displeasure. Displeasure I mean a feeling of annoyance or disapproval.ភាពមិនពេញចិត្តឬក៏មិនសប្បាយចិត្ត yeah. And for warning an advance warning. Yes, an advance warning ព្រមមានទុកជាមុន yes. I try to use or use maybe a little bit, not all the vocabularies. Growl, yeah, growl to make a low, rough sound, usually in anger. Yes, when change the blame or hum. Yeah, for example, like when you angry with someone, you can make your voice like this. You can say that. You can, yeah, yes, like this to scare someone. Yeah, astrologer. Yeah, astrologer. Astrologers, it means someone who studies astrologies, horosas. Yeah, it means horasa. Yeah, astrology, hora. Yeah, astrology. And eunuch. Yeah, eunuch. Eunuch, a man who has had his testicles removed. Testicle refer to the two round male sex organs that produce sperm. Yeah. And almond, almond, something that is considered to be a sign of how a future event, yeah, event will take place. Yeah, almond, yeah, almond. Now let's move on to the new points below. Let's take a look to yes here. Start from this point. Yes, start from this point. Yeah. Okay. Mm, the first word, yeah. Before I let you to study and also to read to understand from these new points. Please let's study together about the news words. Yeah, uh, what is it? Unclear. Yeah, unclear. Not obvious or easy to see or know. Yeah, unclear. มันច្បាស់មិនប្រកប yeah, unclear. And suture. Yeah, suture. Suture. Yes, suture. Suture. Sutures. I mean stitch. You have a stitch used to sew up a cut in a person's body. Yeah, stitch. And the next one, major. Yeah, majors. More important, bigger, or more serious than other of the same type. Some kind. Yeah. And rim. The outer, often curved or circular edge of something. Yeah, a rim. Plateau. Yeah, plateau. Plateau is a large a large flat area of land that is high above sea level. Yeah, plateau. Yeah, plateau. And the next one, unstable. Yeah, unstable. Unstable. Sorry, not solid or firm, or and therefore not strong, safe, or likely to last. Mantate. Yes. Landslide. Landslide mass of rock and earth moving suddenly and quickly down a steep slope. Yeah, ផ្ទាំងដីដែលបាក់ yeah, landslide. Drain. Yeah, drained. If you drain something, you remove the liquid from it, usually by pouring it away or allowing it to flow away. And if something drained, liquid flows away or out of it. Bong hole, yeah, yeah, bong hole. Blackish. Blackish water is salty, dirty, and unpleasant. Yeah, unpleasant. Unpleasant. Yeah. Refer to the lake. Yeah, blackish lakes refer to this lake that is salty or dirty or unpleasant lake. And a remnant. Yeah, remnant. A small piece or amount of something that is left from a larger original piece or amount. Night and no salt. Yeah, remnant. And stacked up. Yeah, stacked up. Stacked up. Arrange. Yeah, arrange. Numbers of things in a pile, typically a neat one. Yeah. ដាក់គោលលើគ្នា but as neat ប៉ុន្តែឲ្យមានរបៀបរៀបរយបាទមានរបៀបណា stack up. And accordion. Yeah, accordion, a box shaped musical instrument. I mean the types of musical instrument. Yeah, consisting of a folded, yeah, central part with a keyboard played by pushing the two ends toward each other. Yeah, ប្រភេទឧបករណ៍តន្ត្រី you can check these accordions yeah, on Google to know how to see the type of, yeah, the type of musical instruments. Let's learn to pronounce again. Accordion. Yeah, accordion. And guess. Yeah, guess, a long deep cut, especially in the skin. Yeah, rongwea. Yeah. And moderating. Yeah, moderate. Average in amount, intensity, quality, or degree. Machum. Yeah, moderate. And already, yeah. Oh, sorry, corridor. Yeah, corridor. A long piece of one country land that goes through another country. ច្រករបៀង corridor. Yeah, corridor. Everybody don't forget to learn to pronounce after my pronunciation to each word in this text. Yeah, not only in this days but every week. Don't forget learn to pronounce to the word. Yeah. Uh, corridor. Yeah, corridor. Corridor, a long piece of one country's land that goes through another country. And arid, without the arid, very dry and without enough rain for plants. Yeah, smooth hay, soft, yeah, arid, and grasslands. Yeah, grassland. Grassland refer to the fields of the grass. It's called grassland. And sheer, yeah, sheer, used to emphasize how very great, important, or powerful a quality of feeling is, nothing except, yeah, sheer. It's used to express, to emphasize how to be great, yeah, sheer. And yes, hash, unpleasant, unkind, cruel, or more severe, yeah, severe than is necessary, yeah, necessary. The ba, okay, hurt, to make animals move together as group. Quill, yeah, quill, cùng will, yeah, cùng will, quill, yeah, sheep herding, cả cộng will chim, yeah, cả cộng will chim. And crust hole, yeah, crust hole, crust hole relating to or originating in the Earth's crust, yeah, some what panday crust holes, according to the, yeah, the crust of the Earth, yeah, the crust of the Earth. Is it the pictures of yes, the land and the Earth in each country in the world? Yeah. Uh, look to the next. Yeah, this one. So we start only from the finish in this point. Yeah. Dread. Yeah, dread. A strong feeling of fear. Yeah, a strong feeling of fears or worry. Yeah, a strong feeling of fear or worry. People climb, 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 who climbs, and plain, a large area of flat land. William Deep. Yeah, and gruesome. Yeah, gruesome, extremely unpleasant and shocking, and usually dealing with death or injury. Boom. Yeah, gruesome. So let's move above. Yeah, let's move up. Take a look from this point. I hope everybody learn to read and learn to pronounce in each difficult word, because all of these words, many of these words, yeah, many of these words are really to pronounce. Yeah, and don't forget to pronounce yourself after my pronunciation. So now let's read together and listen. It is unclear exactly where the sutures of the two continents lies, but several features of geology of Tibetan plateau are becoming clearer. Yeah, clearer. Five major fault lines similar to the San Andreas Fault of California rim the plateau in an east-west direction, clearly visible in a satellite photograph. Yeah, photograph, and traceable across more than 1,500 miles. The southern block is moving eastward, and the northern block is moving westward. This continuing slow motion, collision makes the Himalayas among the most unstable regions of the planet. Frequent earthquakes and landslides cause that and distractions. Cause that and distraction. of an earthquake in Nepal in 2015, or we can say 2015, leveled thousands of buildings and killed over 8,500 people. An even worse earthquake in 2008 in yeah, Sichuan province of China killed more than 70,000 people. So you can take a look to the map 1.2 and back 2.2, 1.2, sorry. Portions, portion of the former ocean floor were lifted high and dry in central Tibet. Tibet, a high plateau drained by no rivers and containing only blackish lakes that are the remnant of the ancient Tethys Sea. Yes, the names of the sea. The mountains south of the Tibetan plateaus, the Himalayas, are the old northern portions of India, stacked up slide upon slide. The highest mountains in the world, the Tibetan plateau, was squeezed like an accordion and stretched eastward, creating deep east-rise gases that became rivers trailing the Himalayas across channels and down into Southeast Asia. The plateau isolates India from Siberia's cold winter winds and isolates Central Asia from the moderating influences of the Southern Oceans. North, the north of the Tibetan plateau, stretching from the Karakoram pass into India's to the famous Gansus. Also called, we can say that Kansus in bracket, corridors into China proper, lies a region of arid grassland, dry hills, and serious desert. Serious desert. The Gobi Desert is the best known section of this land to thrive for wheat cultivation, where sheep herding is the best option for survival. The Gobi is a grabend. Grabend, its expression here, as you can take a look from these lines. The expression of this grabend, the sunken regions where crustal blocks are being stretched. Yes, a sunken region where crustal blocks are being stretched and pulled apart by the pressures. The pressure of. Okay, let's move below. Uh, the Indian collision. The Indian collision has as the Gabius to the west is a far worse place. Worse place. The dreaded Taklamakan. As you can see the map 1.1. As the Chinese knew the yeah Taklamakan as the Lucia or moving sands. It means moving sands. But Taklamakan is Turkey. It means going and you won't come out. One traveler described this environment never once until we reach the plains where we out of sight of skeletons. The that's why it's called dreaded Kaklaman. Kaklamankant. Kaklamankant. Um, the continuous alliance of the bones and bodies acted as a gruesome guide whenever we were uncertain of the route. Of the route. The French explorers Wonder Cock Yeah, what a cock describes being caught in a black hurricane. Yeah, in a black hurricane. That's finished for today video lessons. If everybody has a question, please ask me in our Telegram groups. And don't forget to learn to pronounce the same as I mentioned above. Yeah, and right now it's finished. Goodbye. See you. Good luck.